when you go forward, let go at the end.
Oh! Get the ball! Get the ball!
You're right.
No.
Uh-oh. Oh no! My ultralight!
My life be like.
Oh my God!
He's stuck.
Come on, pretty close and see what you caught.
He's stuck.
Not cool, bro.
Get a video.
Father.
Big tail. Now, the net. Hey, whoa.
Hey, Brian, this is big rock weather.
You can do it.
That is designed to make a popping sound when you jerk your rod.
Oh, it's it.
No, Benny. What did I tell you?
Yeah.
Hold them tight though.
Whoa, Jesus Christ!
Ow! Get it out! Get it out! Get it out! Get it out! Get it out!
What, did I hit you?
No, my back just grows fishing lures. Yes, you hit me. Get it out!